Good morning. Friday morning. I'm heading out. First trip with a canoe. It's been raining all morning. I got a break right now. I'm gonna try to at least get to the campsite before it starts raining again. It's supposed to rain some more this afternoon, so come along. I'm at Kawartha Highlands Provincial Park. I am at the Cold Lake access point, and I'm making my way to Cold Lake. So come along with me. Well, I found a nice landing, and here we are, my site. Whew. Nice hair, cabin hair. So guys, I made it to my site, and it's nice. It's been a bit of a rough paddle, some big water, and it's a bit windy. Good news is there's only a few mosquitoes here. And I got to set up camp. It's been threatening rain, that's why I didn't film too much on the way in. I just wanted to get here and set up. So, looking forward to showing you guys up around camp. Oh, there's my trusty new boat. Love it. It did really well. Alright, up the little path. Nice big open area. All the way over there. Got a fire pit over here. Picnic table. Another nice pad here. Could easily fit several tents here. These two trees, well, this guy here, that guy here look like the first culprits. Maybe that guy over there for my hammock. Let's see if there's a thunderbox somewhere around here. Not a lot of standing dead though. There's our privy. Nice shady thunderbox back there. Alright. Hey guys, I got my no bug zone up and my hammock set up over there. Doing alright. I'm surprised there's not too many mosquitoes at all. No black flies at all. Few deer flies, a couple of mosquitoes, but not what I was expecting. So looking forward to relaxing a bit. Got a bit of a late start today, so it's already dinner time. I just got here set up and time for dinner. So time to relax. And I'm gonna do something a little not cool for backcountry camping tonight. As many of you know, I'm a huge Habs fan, and the game's on tonight. Playoffs, Game 3. Montreal and Vegas, and I gotta watch it. So I've got my phone. I got a good signal here where I am, so I'm gonna mount it on my camera mount and enjoy the game, which is, you know, not something I typically would do while backcountry camping, but not often my team gets this far into the playoffs. I gotta. So Anyways, so for dinner tonight, I think I'm doing some hot dogs. I don't have firewood. I expected to find a little bit on the island since it's basically a new season. Backcountry camping just opened up last week. I expected to find some, but there's not much, and I don't really feel like looking for any, so I think I might just cook up the hot dogs in a pan or something and take it from there. So, yeah, light dinner. So one of the things that I like to do is I bring a smart water bottle. These things weigh like almost nothing. And then what I do is I filter water into it with my Be Free, and I add some Mio Sport, which has electrolytes. And I like to always have one of these handy while at camp. It's really easy to get dehydrated and need electrolytes without really noticing it. So this is a common thing I do almost every trip, and it's nice to just have something easy to carry, very light, but also it's got some little bit of flavor to it and electrolytes, which is good. So, smart water upside down. Anyways, yeah, so one of the things I do. Nature's alarm clock. Good morning. I'm just had a rough sleep in the hammock here last night. Sitting comfortably at a picnic table and just listening to the hockey game, and then suddenly mosquitoes started coming out. They're coming out pretty quickly, so I scrambled to put everything away and brush my teeth, get ready for bed, and it started raining, and so I scrambled even more. I got in the hammock and I took too long to get in, and there must have been 40, 50 mosquitoes that got in into my hammock shelter, and I spent probably a good half an hour hunting, trying to clear them out, getting rid of them inside, and now the sun's coming up. It's pretty early. It's 5, just after 5, and there are hundreds of mosquitoes that are just sitting out there waiting for me. I can hear them buzzing. I don't know if you can hear them or not, but I want to get up, but I don't want to get out of this shelter right now. Hoping that when the sun crests over the horizon, that I'll maybe shoo away a bunch of them anyway. I do have a very open tarp kind of setup going, but yeah, so it's the scenery this morning. I think I actually slept okay. It was just a little rough. It rained so hard last night. For about an hour, I guess. So, hopefully I put everything away okay. I did it in such a rush that I don't really know. Oh well. Not brave enough to get up yet. I think I'll just lounge. Good morning. Morning. So I'm up. I fought off the mosquitoes. Beautiful Saturday. Supposed to be really nice today. Looking forward to it. There's fighting the rain and then there's fighting the sun. So I got sunburned pretty bad last week when I went for a canoe ride in shorts, and deeply regretted the hours I put out there. So be a little bit more careful. Long sleeves, long pants, and a couple of nice shady spots set up to relax in if I need to. So I slept pretty well. Bit of a scramble to get into bed last night. I got to be better prepared tonight. When the bugs come out, they come out so fast and in swarms. So I'm going to, it's the mosquitoes. It's really the mosquitoes. So I've got my little thermosol, which I wish I had set up last night, but I didn't. I'll take a walk over to the hammock here. So there's, I don't know if you can see or not, but there's quite a few mosquitoes still in there. So I set this up to clear them out. I'm going to leave this here, and I will run this tonight, about maybe half an hour before I get in the hammock. That way I won't be fighting them like I did last night. Let's see if my canoe made it through the powerful rain. Oh, looks like it did. There we go. Still there. So, this morning, we're going to try this for the first time. This is Starbucks Medium Roast Premium Instant. But if you look at the ingredients, it is part instant, part microgrind. So I've become pretty fond of the microgrind stuff for backcountry camping, but that's probably pretty loud next to the... Yeah, microgrind, I like it. So we'll give this a try. Medium roast. And my coffee mate, the original. The no-name brand stuff is not nearly as good as this stuff I found. So, the original coffee mate. And hey Shug, Pop-Tarts. Hey guys, just went out for a little paddle. Just to get out. Just when I thought I couldn't be surprised by what some campers do in provincial parks. I just saw a whole bunch of these in the water. So somebody's hitting balls into the lake. I don't even know what to say. It's always exciting. It's always something new. So I've been paddling double blade for a few years now, and I really never got my single blade skills down. So I'm trying to practice, get comfortable with the balance of a canoe. It's a little bit different. Than a kayak. I feel very safe in the kayak. Most of the time sitting below the water, and so my center of gravity is really low. But the canoe is a bit different. I'm practicing getting in dry without putting my feet in the water, which I have to do with the kayak, because there's no graceful way to get in out of a kayak. But canoe's a little bit different, so there's a pro. There's a pro for canoes. And kind of nice. It's kind of nice to just paddle around. It's Saturday. The sun got really. It wasn't so much that it was hot. The sun was very, very strong today. I had to stay most of the day under a shelter. I just didn't want to get burned, so I'm just enjoying myself, relaxing. It's nice to finally get out. Had a visit from the park warden today to check my permit, and I had one, so that's a good thing. Yeah. So I had planned to do a whole bunch of filming of different things this weekend, and I really just, I've just been relaxing. So, hope you guys are having a great day. I am winking a lot. My allergies are acting up, and I forgot to bring allergy meds, so I struggle a little bit. Oh. I'll tell you one thing about canoes, though: when the wind picks up, it picks you right up. It moves you. There's a beach over there, and that beach is underwater right now. Later in the summer, it's like a big sandbar. There's some people over there, and they're just standing around in it, and I guess it's only a couple of feet deep right now. But I had a nice swim today. Yeah, decided to get wet. So, I'm at my camp. My camp is right here. But I just feel like paddling around a little bit now that the sun's calmed down a bit. Hopefully I won't get sunburned. And for the first time, I brought sunscreen with me. I can understand why they say, you can get windbound on a canoe. It doesn't take much really to push your canoe around. I'm just spinning right now. I guess something I need to be careful of, something I need to plan for in my trips, and just learn the ropes, I guess. Alright, let's get this thing back. Good morning. Had a great night's sleep last night. Slept almost 12 hours in the hammock, except for about half an hour around 4 a.m. when the whippoorwills came around. So, all packed up. Beautiful Sunday morning. So, heading out. I'm on Cold Lake, and I am going to make my way out of the park. The first part of the paddle is basically in the park, and then after that I'm out of the park and there's boats and challenges out there, so we'll see how that goes. All right, off we go. You're gonna need some sunglasses. There we go. How cool am I now? One of the main differences between this canoe and my kayak is with the skeg on the kayak, if I stop paddling for a minute to do something, I pretty much keep going straight. With the canoe, slightest little wind or something when I'm not paddling, and I'm spinning. So, I'm so happy to be able to develop my canoe game. Next summer, I didn't take any this year because I just really didn't know what was going to be happening with COVID and whatnot. So I didn't plan to take any courses this year, but next year I think I'll try to take my first levels, I guess level 1 canoe, and see if we can develop it. I hope to really spend a lot of time in this thing, so. It's been a really good couple of days off. The sun is brutal. It's not so hot out, but the sun is burn you in a few minutes if you're not careful. So I lathered on pretty good. I got a couple of hours to spend on the water, so. I spent a bit of time. I was going to do more video, but the sun was so hot, I was under shelter all the time, and the stuff that I wanted to do, I couldn't really do it. I take medication that makes me susceptible to burning. So those of you who saw my Facebook stuff from last week saw how badly my legs got burned. I'm just being very careful. Alright, so I've made my way across Cold Lake. I'm just entering the little channel here that takes me into a bigger lake. I forget the name. I'll switch to my kayak paddle when I get there. So there's motorboats, a lot of jet skis and stuff, and I'm far more confident with my my ability to get the hell out of the way with my kayak paddle than I am with this. I just don't have enough time yet on this paddle. So Yeah, I'll do that. It's a nice lake, a beautiful lake here. Here in southern Ontario, we're having a big problem this year with gypsy moth, basically caterpillars. They're everywhere right now, and I don't know what the environmental impact of them being so plentiful is going to be, but there's a lot of trees that are dying, and my campsite, as a hammocker, I have to hang, and to hang you need trees, and so I had to set up under a tree. The amount of caterpillar crap that fell onto my tarp and dried there is insane. I'll put a picture. I took a picture of it. But when I get home, I got to get the pressure washer out to clean my tarp, I think. So we'll see how that goes. I've come up on this cottage here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this on camera. I don't know if you can see that or not. The angle might be a bit low. And the sun. Never mind. There's a beautiful, beautiful cottage there. And it's got a climbing wall on it. Alright, so I'm on a bigger lake now. And there aren't too many boats, so it's okay. It's good. Good. There's a few paddlers out there, but no big issues with jet skis. So I'm going to continue single paddle. Got to practice, right?